In this video, I will show you how to get notes on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Instagram. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is actually fully come out of Instagram. And what you want to do is open up the App Store, or of course the Play Store if you're on Android. And what you want to do is go ahead and search for the Instagram app in the store. So the first thing you want to check is that you do have the most up-to-date version of Instagram. So if you come to the app page, if there is an update available, instead of saying open, this blue button here is going to say update. So you want to make sure you update your app to the latest version, and then go ahead and open up Instagram on your device. So once you've done that, you should now have access to leave Instagram notes. Now to go ahead and leave a note, it's really easy to do. What you want to do is come across to your profile page by pressing your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. After doing this, if you look in the top left hand corner at your profile icon, you should now see a note box. So if you actually press onto note, and what you can do is go ahead and leave a note. So as you can see, it says here that notes are visible for 24 hours and people can reply with a message. And underneath you can choose who to share your note with. So at the moment you can see it says share with followers that you follow back, but you have got the option to change this to close friends or whichever option you want from there. And all you need to do is just simply type the note that you want to share, then come up to the top right hand corner and press the blue share button. As you can see, it's come up saying note shared, and you can see our note has now been shared. So that is how to get notes on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.